Now see here, equilibrium of concurrent forces. First thing is here, what are concurrent forces? See here, forces acting at a point. Suppose you have taken a point and there the many forces are acting at this point, then the forces are said to be concurrent. Suppose you have taken one force to this side, that is F1, another force is this side, that is F2. If F1 plus F2 is equal to 0, that is the net force on the body, this body I have taken is 0, then we call body is in equilibrium. So, for equilibrium condition is F external, net external force, that is called F external net is equal to 0. Now, that means F1 is equal to minus F2. If these two forces are equal and opposite to each other, then the net force will be 0 and the body is said to be in equilibrium. According to Newton's first law of motion, if net external force is 0, it means the body is at rest or body is in uniform motion, that is moving with the uniform velocity. Now see, if you have taken more than 3 forces. So now see, there are 3 forces which are acting at a point. Suppose one force is acting this side, that is F1, another is acting to this side, that is F2, third is acting to this side, that is F3. This point is O. The resultant is somewhere here like this. This is taken as C and this side we can take as C dash. Now see here, from here we can write triangle of vector addition. This is A and B. We can write OA plus OB is equal to OC. Now add OC dash to both the sides, it will become OA plus OB plus OC dash plus is equal to OC dash plus OC. Now see here, OC dash plus OC are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction, so they will cancel out each other. So we will be getting OA plus OB plus OC dash is equal to 0. That means F1 plus F2 plus F3 is equal to 0. So thus the sum of these 3 forces is equal to 0. That means net force is 0. The body is said to be in equilibrium.